This is a solution we have for our small cockapoo. We don't keep him in the boot because it's too big and we don't want him messing the boot up with his paw prints everywhere, rattling around because he's quite a small dog. And we can keep this under the floor, it folds down. Under the dog bed we put down this plastic sheet in case he has any accidents so it doesn't soak through to the upholstery. We also carry a dog blanket we can put between two seats so two people can sit in the back with a dog between them, just hold it onto the dog, and when it's not being used I just use it there as a prop to put under the bed. Dog bed easily folds down, folds back up. And then you just hook it over the back headrest. We also bought an aftermarket microfibre mat to put inside so it doesn't show the dirt and it's easy to clean than the one that's already in it. Log in. There you go. Can't get your paws on anything then, can you? Plus you can stick your head out your window if you really want. Hello to the people. And we still have space for one person. This is the box solution we have for the Zoe. It goes between the two seats, but it doesn't stop the dog from jumping up and putting paw marks and everything, so we cover those up. You also can't rest on these because they just flex too much. It has an internal leash to stop him moving around, but I just don't like it. I prefer the box solution that I've got in the EV6.